Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we're going to talk about CBEX in this particular video and a lot of updates we have currently. So this is one of the accounts I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And right, so I'm going to be talking more about the withdrawal process because I know that is our main interest and our main focus. So pay attention into everything I'm going to be saying in this particular video. I'm going to be taking my source and my information from their Telegram handle. So I'm currently using the ST Signal Group 11. You can actually check this particular Signal group on Telegram. I are going to be getting this. And this particular scam logo is quite still there. And that was what Telegram pasted on their Telegram handle after the incident happened. Right. Even Telegram are supposed to actually take down the account, but they did not. They only put a notice board right there so that we can get notified that okay, this is a scam alert kind of stuff. So now, what is the update? We all know that CBEX is currently back and they are back with the balance in the wallet, right? So you can see on this particular account right now, the balance is there and the withdrawal process that I tried to paste earlier is actually there, and it was on freeze before. Now they raise it back to available. So it was quite on freeze before and they raise it back. So if you are just yet seeing yours, do not place withdrawal. That is one thing you need to know. Do not place any withdrawal right now, because if you actually place any withdrawal, you are going to be taking a lot of charges, right? I think I placed $200 withdrawal right here and they remove about $40, right? So it's a lot. So in case this is actually going to be true, you will not miss a lot right now. But this is quite of funny because I'm seeing a lot of people trying to fall victim about what is going on right now. So the update currently is about June 25, and what is happening on June 25, that is what we're going to be navigating into this particular video. So one thing I noticed also is about this particular account. So if you actually check out the platform, all these accounts, you can see we have this Lera FC will sim, whereby all these accounts were disabled for a very long time. They were disabled after the incident happened, and now they are all back connected to the account because after this incident happened, I did not leave this particular group because I know the group actually have a lot of membership before, but after the information got linked and the scam came up, everybody actually left. So you can see we have about 25,275 people members on this, and now before now it's about like 26 people that actually comes online because trading still happen on this particular platform every now and then, but now we have about 1,226 amount of people staying on this particular platform. So it means a lot of people are interested in this right now, and that is one of the reasons why this information is quite important for us to pay attention into it, right? So you can see we have the new link. So this is the new link, so you can get it, and I'm going to drop it at the description and at the comment section of this particular video also, so you can get access and check it out right here. So let's check what they are currently saying about the withdrawal process right here. So this particular person actually asked and they replied. So before 24th, unverified accounts need to deposit $100 to their trading account without they need to transfer it to the funding and thereabout. So it is necessary, and if you have more than $100, $1,000, you need to transfer $200, and that is kind of massive, and that is baffling me right here because why do you want people to actually put that amount? So this particular said verification deadline for all users is June 24. This is because ST will formally not allow any formal okay withdrawal on the 25, right? And this is the deadline. So the deadline for the payment is actually on the 24th, and they want a lot of people to actually put in money right here. But this is one thing I'm going to go home with in this particular video. Do not put any money. If you are watching this particular video, I've been saying it for a while and I'm going to keep saying it. Do not put any money into this particular update for now. So let me read out the information I got here, and we have up to about 4 information. So I'm going to break it down and let's read this together. So you can see the verification fee is now $100 for all unverified accounts regardless for your account. Okay, so they actually reduced the verification fees right now. It has been reduced to $100 for everybody for all your accounts it has been reduced. That is what they are currently saying right here. And by the end of June 2024, which is about, I think that should be about 13 days to now. No, yeah, kind of 13 days to this particular time I'm making this particular video, the payment is actually going to be going on to reactivate your account, right? So my problem is, why can't they remove money from what they have in the account and reactivate the account? The bonus they actually give, they should just take it back and make the account get reactivated so that people can actually benefit on the new stuff right here. So to reduce 20% penalty reduced to income trading. Okay, fund does not need to transfer to trading right here. So the 20% that I talked about is, if you want to withdraw right now, the 20% is actually going to be taken. If you try to withdraw $1,000, $200 is going to be taken out of your money, and you have $800 left, and that is something you don't want to do right here. So do not go ahead to do that. So I would like to know your opinion, your comment. What do you actually think? Because a lot of people are still going to fall victim of this, and the signal is still currently there. The signal is still going on. They have about 3 signal or so. We won about 2:30, another one at 6:30, another one at 7, and there about. So this is actually still working like usual, and as if nothing actually happened. We have a lot of updates right now that is currently going on this platform, and you know, Nigerians, and we know we all have to be very careful about this particular stuff. We just want to jump into this, want to get our money back, and by the time of bringing our money back, which we are being concerned about, it is the emotion that is actually going to lead you to get scammed again. And this is something I don't want it to happen to anyone right here. You can see joy is coming, joy is coming. People are so funny on this particular platform right here, because anything that's going to bring you the joy will not require you to take your peace before you can be okay. Hold your peace, joy is coming. Okay, so they're about to take your peace again, and this is that, right? So in this particular video, remember, I'm not a financial advice, and this is for information and entertainment purpose only, because I'm actually making this particular video in respect of what I've currently seen in this platform and how they've been going up, how things have been going right here. Many people are so sad, many people are so poor at this particular point, because what poverty is going to cause, the hand of poverty self no go fit hold am, because that is the conclusion about this particular video. So all you need to do right now is to stay calm, stay to the channel, hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, and in 14 days we are going to be getting daily information about what is actually happening right here. And by then, many people are going to put in money into this. I am very sure and certain, and people are already doing that already. But remember to invest wisely. It is quite a possible that they are going to open the account by that time and allow some people to withdraw, because they said you are going to be having access to 50% of your money, because they know if they give everybody out, they remove everything. So they said 50% of your money will be allowed for you to withdraw at that particular time. And when it comes to after a few hours later, I think few weeks later, you can actually withdraw the other 50% after you actually invested and double all your stuff. So with all this ranting and with everything I've currently said so far, the main point you need to take home right now is that invest wisely and do not be greedy. Do not fall victim of this again. Remember to stay safe, and I'm Apyong, and I'll keep updating you as this actually goes on. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you.